Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate Pipedrive with SigmaMind AI. First, you have to click on this tools, and here on this screen you need to click on this Add Custom Tool app. Enter the app name here that you want to connect Pipedrive, and click on the Submit tool. You can see in the app list Pipedrive is coming. So let's configure the authentication here. Click on this Configure Authentication. From this list, you can select no-auth and click on the Submit Authentication. Now let's add action here. Click on this Add Action. So I am making the action for getting deals from our Pipedrive account. So that's why I am giving the action name here, get deals. From this HTTP request method, we are getting the deals from our Pipedrive account. And that's why I have selected this get method here. And this endpoint URL you can get from Pipedrive doc as well. So here I have made the token into a variable. So anyone can get the deal from Pipedrive account using their token ID. So make sure you have added header here, which is content type. And the value is application JSON. That's it. You just need to click on the submit action. Now let's test the API. So click on this test API. Here for testing it, we need a token because we have made the token as a variable. So from where you can get this token? So from your Pipedrive account, you need to click on this profile section. Here you have to click on this personal preferences, then go to this API section, and here you can see this API token. So you just need to copy this and paste it here and click on this test API action. You can see the API runs successfully. We get all the deals here. Hope you understand how easily you can integrate Pipedrive with SigmaMind AI.